All right, heading out here to Coffee and Cars this morning, and I'm going to show you why this is one of my favorite car shows. So when you're in the parking lot, it's still a car show. I'm going to try something a little different. I'm going to try and get as many cool car stories as I can this time out of some folks. So let's go check it out. Ooh, 300ZX, thing's sweet. Watch out for the Mustangs. It's a pretty badass Camaro. It's pretty cool. Wonder how fast it is. Look at that. Oh, Raiders fan. Well, I can't hold that against them too much. Old school land yacht, but that thing is sweet. Thing's awesome. My stepdad had one when I was growing up.
Had a Torino?
Mm-hmm. He became obsessed with the Talladega Torinos.
Yeah, yeah.
And we lived up in Guthrie, and what's the guy's name? Daryl Starbird?
Yeah.
Up in
Tulsa?
somewhere. We got up early one Saturday morning and drove up there because he had an original one. My stepdad wanted to take measurements of the nose, and he ended up cloning it back in the late 90s.
Wow.
So
Yeah, a lot of people didn't like those Talladegas because of the nose.
yeah, he was obsessed with them.
All they did was cut it off, put a nose on it.
Yeah, and he ended up using like a deck lid off a 70s Lincoln for the sheet metal, and it was wild. Best Mustang gear ever made, right there. Super cool.
So this is built here in Oklahoma?
Built in Provo, Utah.
Provo, Utah, okay.
Uses a GM powertrain, so 1.5 liter turbo.
Ah, okay.
Fully front wheel drive, shaft driven, all the power, weight, steering's all up front. Better performance, better control, better all fun.
How much HP?
194, 23 foot-pounds of boost, 6-speed automatic transmission, gives you 0 to 60 in 3.5 to 4.5 seconds.
It's gotta feel wild.
It definitely, when it hooks, it goes.
How does this compare to the slingshots?
Slingshots are belt-driven rear-wheel drive, so they will have one power wheel and no weight on the rear, so there's no traction.
Yeah.
Ours are all full-wheel drive, front drive, so you get better control, direct power driven instead of a belt, so you don't lose any of that horsepower, and it's all to the wheels.
That's pretty cool. It's real cool.
If you ever want to go see any of the other models, we're out of House Kawasaki.
Appreciate you, man.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good deal. Appreciate
We're
that.
there from 9 to 6 today. So.
We'll snap some more pins.
Y'all, I am obsessed with weird cars like this. Look at this thing. Marker. So cool.
That's what I was gonna do when I got down to that point. It was like an easy button to me. There's a white one that's over
Ooh, trophy truck.
It looks good. It looks bright around.
God, this is awesome. Especially with big flat panels.
Yeah. Easy money.
That's right.
Well, I like that green.
It's going.
Going good. How are you?
Man, I woke up, I saw the weather, and I was like, oh, I know what I'm doing this morning.
Oh yeah, it was really nice
Yeah.
this morning.
Yeah.
I thought I was gonna have to roll my windows up in my car and get on the highway.
Yeah, I had to turn the AC down.
I wish I had AC in my car.
Yeah. I have one car that does.
That's a winter project.
Yeah. You gotta have the old crappy, I've got an old crappy minivan that was my wife's grandma's that I refuse to get rid of because everything works on it. And so it's like, it's taking up space in the driveway, but AC works. They can swim miles to gallon.
Oh, hey man,
Yeah, so.
I was apart for 6 years before I put it back together.
Yeah. The Duster's yours?
Yep.
Man, that thing's awesome.
I haven't seen another one with a factory sunroof.
Yeah?
Yep. It's a manual crank sunroof.
Interesting. Was that like a dealer installed option?
Yeah, it was some type of specially order option from Dodge.
Interesting.
Apparently, I think they only put them on from 74 to 76.
Interesting. Yeah, I'm sure the dealers hated them.
Oh, they're a pain in the ass. I never want to
yeah.
pull that down again. I pulled it down once, and I don't want to do it again.
Yeah, for sure.
Of course, you can't find weather stripping on it at all.
Oh, no, of course not.
And the painter destroyed all of it. So I had to make something that worked.
Does it work pretty good, though?
Oh, yeah. It never leaked in high school when I had it.
Oh, you've had it since high school?
Yeah, I've had it for 20 years.
Oh, my gosh. That's awesome.
He got me on a first and last name basis with
Yeah.
PD. Hey, they didn't like it that much.
So what have you done to it? You said it was down for a while?
Yeah, it was basically apart, getting repainted, and just all the interior. It used to be a bench seat car, so I put buckets in it. With a
Oh,
console.
nice. Yeah.
I had a lot of tall friends that complained about their knees hitting the dash.
Yep. I can relate.
That, and every time I wore a seatbelt, I'd put the strap behind my back, and Yukons gave me over 56 seatbelt tickets.
Woo!
That's improper use of seatbelt. So now I got lap straps, and yeah. I don't got a strap no more.
That's awesome. That thing's clean, man. It's awesome. I love it.
You're building a 418 to go in it this winter.
Is that a stroke 360?
No, it's just basically, well, technically it's a 36.6. It's just pretty much a stock 360, just with a cam in it.
No, the one you're building.
Oh no, it's a taking a 360 block, a 71, and putting Chevy pistons and a Chevy crank in it. But it's going to give me a 1/4 inch more stroke than a big block, so it should make a lot of torque.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
It should make about 650 the flywheel.
I told him, I said, I'll be there.
So that'll be fun.
That'll be pretty
It'll
healthy.
wake it up a little bit.
Yeah.
I mean, the fastest this ever ran in the high school drags was a 1370. But this is 600 pounds heavier than a 71 Duster.
Really?
Yeah, because
Why
the
is that?
74s had like basically the braces for the bumpers, and the doors have bars in them.
All the
Safety
federal
bullshit.
safety. Yeah.
That and the sunroof.
Interesting. That's cool, man. It was cool chatting.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
I'm gonna keep walking around. Duster sweet. Shelby's.
Well, I'm enjoying it. It's going to run out.
Sweet.
So what is it? It's a replica of a 65 Shelby Cobra. I got this thing from Factory 5.
Oh, this is a Factory 5? Okay.
Now the current Factory 5 model, the body is red, gel coat, Mark 4. This is a Mark 3.1.
Okay.
And this is how they came.
Factory
I thought they were all one piece. I didn't realize they were joined. It is one piece.
Oh, that's just
That's
a
all
mold.
the parting lines.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Now this is separate,
Yeah,
and it's the only piece that's bolted to the body. The doors and the hood are both hinged to the frame.
Okay. I did not realize Factory 5 came with that part.
A lot of body work between that.
Yeah, but that's for fun.
Yeah.
That looks like
But I just rolled 23,000 miles on this thing this morning coming here. I don't have to worry about rock chutes,
Yeah.
bugs,
Yeah, that's right.
and it wouldn't go any faster or handle any better.
Well,
That's
I
right.
kind of like it is.
I like the dual roll bars.
Well, you know, my wife rides in it with me all the time.
Yeah.
I like the symmetry of it.
Yeah,
And for
I
me
like-
to have a roll bar and her not would be kind of crappy.
It's just the symmetry of it too, you know. I know why.
I was just following that.
Man, this thing's awesome.
Thank you.
How long did it take to put together?
Actually, I didn't build it. This was built by Factory 5 and Ford Performance at the 2018 SEMA show.
Okay.
It's kind of a sales gimmick. Hey, we can build it in 3 days. You can build it at home. Of course, they did the paint and body off-site.
Yeah.
Painted it in that way. And then they had about 10, 15 guys that knew what they were doing. That
Right.
on their website, in their media section, there's a time-lapse video. They condensed the 3 days down to like 3 minutes.
Okay.
So you can see it being built.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, I know the Roadkill guys kind of did that at a SEMA, not SEMA, it was a different trade show, but they did that. They did a 24-hour LS swap,
Right.
you know, in one of their cars. So that's pretty cool.
Thank you.
So how'd you get hooked up after that? I mean,
So, they built it in fall of 2018. In the spring 2019, at one of the Barrett Jacksons, they auctioned it off.
oh, okay.
I don't know who that buyer was, but that person only had it for a short period of time. Then somebody out of Florida bought it, and they didn't drive it very much. So in 2022, February 2022, I saw it come up for sale with 1,000 miles on it.
Oh my gosh.
So I made an offer pending inspection, and they accepted it. And I just had it shipped to Oklahoma.
That's super cool.
I put about 5,500 miles on it since.
Yeah.
I mean, you gotta drive it.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, and what's really cool is that a lot of those SEMA cars are not worth driving.
Right.
A lot of them, they get slapped together, they get a fancy paint job, and they're terrible. But this one looks like it's legit.
Yeah, I mean, there's not much to it. It's hard. I say it's hard. It's hard to mess it up.
Yeah.
Especially if you know what you're doing. The only bad part, some of Factory 5 parts they source from China. It's got a mechanical clutch cable. Since I've had it, in that 5,500 miles, that clutch cable has snapped twice at the clutch fork. So I finally got hooked up with a guy on the Factory 5 forums that sells parts, and he has a Ford replacement part.
Oh yeah.
That's a lot thicker cable. I installed that a few months back.
Yeah.
So
sweet.
Just have to watch out for the parts.
So what's the drivetrain in it?
It's got a second generation Coyote.
Okay.
And it's got a TKO 600 5-speed.
Nice.
And a Moser rear end.
Nice. That's awesome. That's so cool.
Thank you very much.
It's one of my favorite cars of all time.
I love the body line.
Oh my god. It's so cool.
Thanks.
Yeah. Thanks.
Have a great day.
Yeah, you too. Alright, even if you're not into it, tell me this doesn't look like fun. Wouldn't this be so much fun to drive for a day? So fun. Alright, this is what a street car looks like, I guess. Skinnies in the front, cheater slicks in the back. Yeah, basically stock. NSX never gets old.
Hey, you're gonna go eat.
Clean step side. Sweet pace car. T-top car, that's super cool. T-top or target top fit, I don't know. Turbo the size of my head. 2J swap, looks like. Yeah, basically stock. So cool. Old school Civic.
And then after that, you're fine. Because those are like number one thing. You'll see them all the time for sale marketplace. Swap with the car for a week.
So cool. He's such a fun little driver. This thing's pretty cool. Oh my god, this is what I want. Block to beaters. Four speed. What I need in my life. K truck. I think it's still considered a K truck, even though it's a Subaru, right? Ooh, early Barracuda. I'm sure it's a clone, but I still like it. Still like it a lot. Oh yes, the 280. It was a 260. Oh, it's carbon. It's 240. This is 260. Okay, so this is a 240. How we know? Thin bumper, carburetors. 260s were carbed. 280s had big old giant goofy bumpers. It's an early one. Yep. See? Too farty. I've had like 8 of these, and one of them actually ran. I miss them. Miss them every day. Oh, there's the Cherokee from when we were walking in 30 minutes ago. Not really my cup of tea, but boosted Civic, 4-door Civic, that's kind of fun. Grand Wagoneer, sweet little LS in it. LS swap Wagoneer, so cool. Super clean. Boss 302. That's super cool. '70 Boss 302. Whoa. This is what I want for Christmas. Basket case. I feel that. I feel that in my soul.
This is not it.
No, it's not this one. Hey, you're good. I was at the Liberty. I think I saw them there.
Interesting. No idea what I'm looking at. Triumph GT6. I tried to buy one of these one time.
Wheels and tires are unique, aren't they?
Yeah. I tried to buy one of these about 15 years ago from a guy. He had one sitting in his backyard. He wouldn't come off of it. I had plans to, strip the whole thing, paint it British Racing Green, put it all back together, but I was broke and he wanted what it was probably worth.
Slick.
Yeah, they're cool. Super neat. Super neat.
And I'm looking.
God, this thing is super neat. Small block.
I see all that stuff on Facebook because I'm on the crazy, you know. Hey, that's the way it is.
Super cool. Kind of cool. The weathering on the stock plastics is kind of neat. Yes, please. Thank you. Oh, good timing.
Like I said, and it's a pickup. Well,
It's,
I think I would add. That's your gas tank. Yeah, that's all. It's all tank. Yeah. It's got a big tank. But I guess for 400, you can run a tank. Really? Can move.
here we go. Oh, no, you're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. Man, this thing's awesome.
400 small block with a cam.
Yeah.
The guy said it probably weighs about 1,500 pounds. But it'll hit 80 before you can blink.
Oh, I bet.
And it's just starting to feel good at 80. It's like, oh dang. Model Ts were designed for 25 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Members on this thing.
Yeah. Is this one yours?
A friend of mine passed away, and and his wife wants to sell it. It's been in a barn since 17.
Wow.
I charged the battery and started it
That's wild.
because that gas has got to be varnish.
Yeah.
I mean, it's been in there. I know it's been in. The gas has been in there at least 5 years. Because he wrecked his truck coming home from Ohio about 5 years ago.
Yeah.
Hit a bridge with his trailer. 24-foot enclosed trailer, took the whole side.
Oh.
Tore the rear door off of it. Got somebody to help him get the door back on it, and he brought it on in.
So, yeah, man, good luck on getting this thing sold. This thing's
Yeah, I
pretty
just got
cool.
it. And if it doesn't sell, I'll get it down and detail it hard and get it a little more polished. But then, the price will go up. Because they're in the paper for
It's not a bad.
about $18,000.
It's not a bad price.
Well, all the chrome that he has on it, he's got over $10,000 worth of chrome on it.
Yeah.
Chrome is getting stupid.
And even just.
Everything's getting stupid.
We just said that. We just said.
I just beat you to it.
Yeah, you nailed the coffin on that one. Bam!
So, all right, good luck.
You bet. Have fun.
All right, you too. GTR is basically one of my favorite cars ever. Oh, look how ugly this Mustang 2 is. I love it. Ford may have made it ugly. This one's pretty clean. All the Subarus, only 3 head gaskets working between them. God, I miss my 280. Oh, carbon dash. Check out this bug. These never get old. It's so much fun.
You got a 12 valve swap. It's got a 12 valve in it. Coming in some 100 miles an hour.
Alright, well, that's going to do it for this trip to the car show. Hopefully we got some good stories. Hopefully we got some good footage. Let me know what you think. Bye.